The journey of Pragati is testimonial to its beliefs. Pragati as a family has lived by these principles and worked by these principles. Amaravathi is the dream capital. It embodies the political, social and cultural aspirations of the people of Andhra. Our cultural realities and our cultural evolution is depicted in the structures that we are building here. They will bring the new capital, the expertise, the experience we have earned through our toil. Pragati Wilderness Park, an ecological park. The Wellness Park is not merely a park. It is a park reflecting the variability of life. It is a natural therapy park. It adds greatly to the beauty of the place and to the environmental well-being of the place. Vriksho Rakshati Rakshitaha, who preserves trees, shall reap the benefits. Pragati's proposed Wellness Park initiative is spread over 20 acres of land in close proximity to the Secretariat of Andhra Pradesh. Visible from the entrance and all corners of the park is the iconic structure in the center of the layout. The park is designated to be a vehicle-free zone. At the Information Center, an educative and informative video runs continuously for the benefits of the guests. The very first stop is the fish pond. It has a multitude of colorful fish belonging to various species. Pragati Wellness Spa is a holistic spa that is designed to provide curative therapies, aromatherapies, for the rejuvenation of the mind, body and soul. Hydrotherapy is our speciality. This therapy uses water in various forms for pain relief and treatment. Another prominent attraction is the Handicraft Emporium. The biopharma outlet provides medicines made by scientists at Pragati Wellness. We endeavor to make training and skill development one of our major priorities. Our program has two objectives: to educate and to generate employment. The training provided here does not specify interest or qualification apart from a special training program designed for farmers. This is to enlighten people about these vanamulikas along with achieving the greater goal of mosquito-bad bacteria and virus-free environment. We will encourage different types of gardening such as square foot gardening, vertical gardening, hanging gardening, roof gardening and pot gardening. As a part of our drive to encourage healthy eating, we will train people in healthy cooking and each enthusiast the preparation of herbal juices, herbal salads, herbal curries and soups. A choice of delicious multi-cuisine dishes prepared by our own experienced gourmet chefs can be relished at our food courts and multi-cuisine restaurants. The ingredients used here are organically grown and procured from our gardens. Next stop is the rainforest. It is the unique creation within the park which has dense foliage and multicolored flowers and a variety of fruits that fascinate the visitors. Cycling plays a major role in energy conservation and physical exercise. People will be given a choice of cycles to hire. Pragati has conscientiously made arrangements for hassle-free walk through the park for the differently abled. Specially designed utilities are available for their use. The main roads are flanked on either sides by aromatic trees. These trees have therapeutic properties, and the guest will not only feel pleasantness but also get curative benefits of the aromatherapy. The east to west are the pogada trees, and the north to south are the mahogany trees. The total plantation has 3,710 varied species of exotic trees. The avenue plantation houses 9 species: herbal, medicinal, aromatic, mosquito repellent, spice gardens, wilderness, and botanical collection. Butterfly gardens, sacred vanams. Group plantation. Botanical collections are rare indigenous plants. Some are the rarest of the rare. The Wellness Park accommodates 35,500 plants. Pragati will transplant some of these very great trees from far-off places. Transplanting a tree is a delicate operation. Pragati Wellness Park has a well-equipped commercial high-tech nursery where visitors can interact with experts to learn about plants and ways of productive cultivation. Our vision is to shape the nursery into the center of excellence with facilities for plant genetic resource conservation. Gaushala, a collection of rare species of cattle, is home to the Desi heritage cows and bulls. The rock garden is one of the unique themes in the Wellness Park. The mastery of flower arrangements of multiple hues will mesmerize the guest. Recycle, reuse and recover is the mantra of conservation. Segregation of waste is one of the principles of waste management. Different baskets are used to indicate dry, wet, plastics and metal. Built with the latest technology, Pragati Wellness has adopted water harvesting as an effective process to rejuvenate and replenish water resources. Pragati is the foundation of abundant knowledge of sacred heritage, medicinal and aromatic plants. The Vanamulikas here are the Kalpravrikshalu, and the cows here are the Kamadhenuvalu. They are the Prana Pradata, the giver of life, and also the Arogya Pradata, the giver of health. This sector is a treasure trove of knowledge. It showcases sacred Vanamulikalu, which have various curative and preventive properties. Visitors, especially children who are the future, will gain precious knowledge. Vanams: Ganesh Vanam, Navagraha Vanam, Nakshatra Vanam, Panchabhutala Vanam, Saraswati Vanam. The Vanams at Pragati Wellness will establish how integral plants are to the Bharatiya Sanskriti and Sampradayalu. Ganesha Vanam is home to 21 sacred Patrikalu. The basic understanding of these patrams will give you the know-how to address small health problems. Navagraha Vanam. This Vanam is home to 9 sacred herbal and medicinal plants symbolizing 9 planets. Juvi, Jami, Dharba, Telajaledu, Ravi, Athi, Muduka, Uttarayani. The Navagraha Vanam is arranged according to the 4 directions: East, West, North, South. Iconic Nakshatra Vanam. The serene and sacred Vanam represents the spirit of Pragati Wellness Park. It is said to travel to the sun from Uttarayanam to Dakshinayanam. 14 trees are placed in the east and 13 trees in the west in 2 arcs. In the first masam of the year, morning sun rays slant onto the first tree in the east Vanam. The first rays of the sun slant onto the tree next in line each subsequent masam. On the west, evening sun rays follow the same pattern. This unique Vanam depicts the solar system. Panchabhutala Vanam. The Vanamulikas here are equated with the 5 elements of nature. These 5 elements are in the human body too. An imbalance of the elements is disease. A balance of the elements is health. Walking in these Vanams keeps you healthy and balanced. Saraswati Vanam. This Vanam has plants which are dear to goddess Saraswati, white jasmines being her favorite. This is a gift for early morning joggers and walkers. The aromas released by these plants will cure the toxins in the body, apart from rejuvenating the body with pure oxygen. The herbal and medicinal plants here, having many healing properties for many common and rare diseases, constitute the raw materials and the ingredients for different Ayurvedic products available to the guest at our biopharma outlets. The mosquito repellent plant makes the wellness park mosquito-free. One of Pragati's noted achievements apart from creating a pure environment, the creation of mosquito-free areas. The butterflies and bees in the garden design an environment that is pollution-free. In nature, every being is important, and the size of the being does not matter. Coming to the practical purposes, which are long-term and visionary, the gene bank is the place where exotic plants of Indian origin and those from the world over are on display. The slice of paradise in this sector is the Wilderness Plant Genetic Research Center, home to a collection of 130 varieties of plants so far. It keeps attracting more species to its rare collection. We warmly welcome those who wish to celebrate their moments of happiness and joy in our midst. Pragati is open to weddings, festivals, birthdays, New Year parties, corporate events like conventions and conferences, cultural and musical events. Bamboo is one of the most versatile plants on earth. There is an old Japanese proverb: "The bamboo that bends is stronger than the oak that resists." Bamboo teaches us to consolidate before moving to the next level. If a bamboo can dispense such knowledge, imagine what we can learn from the great trees. Pragati's philosophy of usage of maximum natural energy and minimum fossil fuel energy is reflected. The park has solar power installations to serve electricity requirements. This helps our pollution-free environment. As for the amenities and facilities, we assure you that they will be on par with the exacting and excellent standards of Pragati.